Hello everyone, this is Eva from Dreamy Code Studios. If you're new to my channel, I produce video every other Thursday on lead generation, paid advertising, and analytics. Today, I want to share 6 Facebook ads tips that will improve your campaign performance. Let's get right to the point. First, structure a campaign that targets people at each stage of their buying journey. Here's the thing, just because someone is your ideal customer does not mean that he or she is ready to buy from you. Before setting up your campaign, think about which stage they're at. Are they at the top of the funnel, the awareness stage, or are they in the middle of the funnel, the consideration stage? Or are they at the bottom of the funnel, the decision-making stage? They're ready to buy, but they need more information to make the decision. If you're running a campaign to people who have never heard about your brand before, it is very unlikely that they will become your customer after seeing your initial ads. Instead, run campaigns that target your potential buyer at each stage of their journey with tailored messaging and offering. For instance, you can run a video campaign for brand awareness to people who have never heard about your brand before. At this stage, the metrics you want to look at are clicks and engagement. Did they click on your ads and land on your website? Did they watch the video all the way through until the end? Or did they like or commented on your ads? All those metrics show if people found your content interesting or not. Next, make sure you're running retargeting campaign to your warm audience to continue build the trust. This way, when they're ready to buy, they will remember you, not your competitor. Warm traffic includes your email list, your website traffic, and your social media following. Some of the content that you can use at this stage are testimonials, case studies, webinar sign-up, or free trial offering. For some B2B company, Facebook might not be a great platform to find your initial customer, but you can still utilize as part of your overall retargeting strategy. Third tip, make sure your landing page, the web page that you are using to drive the traffic to, is mobile friendly and it loads fast. 96% of Facebook users access Facebook app on their mobile device rather than the desktop. That means before launching your campaign, make sure you have tested your landing page on your mobile device that include both Apple and Android phone. Fourth tip, use Facebook ads library to spy your competitor. You can actually see all the campaigns that your competitor is running with this link. Simply type in the Facebook page name and you will be able to see all the testing they're currently running and the landing page that they're using to drive the traffic to. Facebook Ads Library is really a great tool for competitor analysis and market research. You can get a lot of great inspiration here for your campaign with your own unique message and selling point. Next, rotate your ads on a regular basis. You will notice a diminishing return on your ad spend with pretty much any campaign you're running, even the best performing one. One of the reasons is because ads fatigue. It essentially means that people just getting tired of seeing the same ads from you over and over again. To overcome that, make sure you are constantly testing and switching up your ads creative. That includes your ads copy, the image, the video you're using, and the offering. You can also reuse your old ads that was performing well before as part of your overall ad rotation strategy. Last, utilize Facebook Lookalike audience. Facebook has the ability to find other people who are similar to your current customer base. This is super powerful for scaling your campaign. Some of the Lookalike audience you can create are people who have watched your video, who have engaged with your Facebook or Instagram page, and the people who have visited a certain page on your website. That's it. Here are the 6 tips that you can use for your next Facebook ads campaign. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day.